How to add RFID cards to Apple Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to add RFID cards to Apple Wallet. First, make sure you have an iPhone 6s or later, or an Apple Watch Series 3 or later, with the latest version of iOS or Watch OS. Unfortunately, Apple Wallet doesn't natively support adding RFID cards directly. You will need a third-party app like Card NFC for iPhone. Now, follow the instructions provided by the app to scan or manually enter your RFID card details. Once the card is added to the app, you should see an option to add it to your Apple Wallet and tap this option. After adding the card, you can use your iPhone or Apple Watch to emulate the RFID card signal by holding your device near a compatible reader. If supported, enable Express Mode to use the card without unlocking your device. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.